Okay, so welcome to episode 3 of my dream garage build. Now, during this episode, we need to rectify this because I attempted to insulate this door and I thought it was going really well, but clearly it's not. So I'm changing direction with this. I have bought some new stuff, some real good sound deadening stuff to add to that. So we're going to fix and finish the door today. We've now got an upgrade on the camera. So unfortunately, we're going to be saying goodbye to the Hero 5 GoPro, or the Hero 6 I think it might be. We're going to be saying goodbye to that, and we're going to be saying hello to the Canon M50. I don't know how to use it, so we're going to see how we get on. So let's just jump into it. Okay, so jumping straight in. I think an up and coming video for the channel will definitely be making a stool, because this stool's a bit short for this table. I bought myself a Canon M50. So if you don't know much about this camera or cameras in general, I'd probably watch another video because I'm not a camera guy and you're not going to learn that much about it here. So I've got the Rode external mic, which I'm hoping will allow the audio to be more on point. So what we're going to do now is we're going to swap you over to this camera. It should be better, however, let's get this swapped over. Okay, so you're definitely going to have to bear with me here. See, straight away, it can't go where... This is strange. This is new. The autofocus is going to take some getting used to. Yeah, this is quite different. The weight, carrying this compared to the GoPro, God, it's a lot. Okay, so no more messing about. I need to put you further back than what the GoPro was, because this was such a small lens. Look at the difference. This was such a small lens that I had to have it pretty much right next to me. Now I can almost put you right back in the corner of the garage. Got to get used to lenses, focus, all this kind of good stuff. Even holding it. Normally the GoPro I hold about there, where you can see. Need to be about there maybe. So please bear with it, guys. It's alright, I've had to put the barbecue as like a stand for the GoPro to go on. So probably, maybe you're going to be better off up here. How does this look without me in the shot? A little bit far away maybe. Okay, so we'll try that. So as I mentioned, guys, this seems strange, guys. This seems strange, it being so up there. So I bought this stuff for the door. Now I insulated the door as you've seen. So I've bought, I don't like it this far away. This is crazy. So I've bought this stuff here. Now I've got to get used to this, guys. I need a better lens, I think. So what I'll do is, I'm going to put you back on the barbecue. Okay, so I'm going to need time. Clearly. So I bought this stuff. Apparently it's flat packed, and as soon as you open it up, it should start expanding. And then to that, it should, if it doesn't expand completely, basically you need to hope this footage turns out well, because I'm going to film all this and then I don't know how it's going to turn out with this new camera until we're in the editor. Basically it should start expanding. If it doesn't, you can add a little bit of water apparently to make them expand a little bit more proactively. Obviously at the moment there's an echo in here. This is the new vlogging setup, this is the new garage build, as you know. If you've seen the previous 2 episodes, if you haven't, please watch them. So let's get into that. Okay, so now we're going to move on to this board. What I've got here is just your typical whiteboard. I want to, let's see if we can bear with this, guys. I know it's horrendous at the moment, but just bear with it. I am getting used to the settings. So basically I'm going to put this whiteboard up, and this is going to allow me to keep track of my jobs, keep organised, give myself some goals, some targets. So I think every good shop, every good garage, every good company should have a whiteboard, whether it be for positivity for the staff, whether it be for organisation, or all this good stuff. This border here is just like, I suppose it's pine or something. Now I actually want to stain this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mask this up so I don't affect the whiteboard itself, and then I'm going to actually wood stain this to darken it out to make it look a little bit nicer. I'll probably throw you on a time lapse. This video is proper. At the moment I'm kind of like GoPro, this camera, this angle. It's just a little bit. I don't even know where the button is on this thing to turn it on. So that's that one done. Looks really good. Just a little bit of soundproofing for the garage. It will get better as I add more things into this garage. We've got the board up. Looking a lot better than just the plain pine. Down here we've got a lot of steel because I'm about to make some gates and railings. So that's a job that I'm going to be doing. I probably won't be filming that though. I've just brought this fly press in, which is a video I'm going to be doing really soon. I've got to completely strip this back and restore it. Yet again, be patient guys with the footage. I'm just zoning in on the autofocus. I've just got to get used to where I'm supposed to be holding you guys because it's just so different to the GoPro and years of having the same camera. Just in case you're wondering, I have done a fire test with this. Don't ever trust packaging if they say that they're fireproof or fire retardant. Always light them up yourself and check, especially in a home garage or a man cave or anything, whatever you're building, a home studio. You need to make sure you're not going to burn alive. I am just about to start doing a bit of work on here. I have got a video I'm going to be filming which involves these. And it's obviously a camper video, it's a van video, but it's also got a giveaway, so I'm going to be giving away stuff on that video at the end of that video also. So please subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any of this good stuff. I'm bringing the van videos are coming back as well. I mean, they haven't really gone, but I haven't really had much content to film. I've got the cupboards and everything to go in now. I've got the seats, the floor, etc. I've just got to get time to film it. So the vans are coming back, so thank you for your patience. Thank you for watching, and hopefully next time I see you, I'll be a bit more experienced with this camera. So, see you next time.